very, very wet Thursday. Very, very wet day.
Yeah.
No, that needs time.
I don't see you because that wait, and the other way you going to talk after that we go make it right.
Not to go where, it's been
A
raining
rainy
all
day,
day.
yeah.
The cloud has been, the sky has been cloudy, and that better explained. We get some people with Chris for house. They're just happy.
You talk up.
Well, they Chris there. But really, if there's a God sabi just. We know they notice this thing sometimes. But most time when enough wahala don't they happen around. Somehow, mommy, rain go all fall. Everybody might go come like, but you don't notice one time everybody go hot. Every song with the hot everywhere back. People beeping the rise. Different wahala. Some people already charge, you catch your husband, another person, yeah. Some people all look their accounts, nothing. Rain go just come for everybody go like,
Everybody gonna slow down.
You can't slow down. You got to think well. Then they say, okay, maybe you'll see how it's going to be. So you only show you say, man, this life, that's what you be. Today up, tomorrow down. Today up, tomorrow down. So if you just, reason to say, okay, now you want to react to life based on your down period, you're not going to make sense. You understand? So always do your best possible to think about the up times. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Ogbolo. I work on new poses.
New poses,
you understand? I want to start one now.
Okay.
I fling leg on top chair.
Oh shit.
But I see they work on that one.
Okay.
So you have to put the leg. I can't do like this. But
yeah,
I will need hair for that thing. I will need hair because when I was like.
I was the head of flat one.
What's his call? On the wheels of steel.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
And so.
That's so. Let go.
What did you say just now? Why they drop your nipple?
Ghana, my swag at it.
Now the swag way they do.
Now your nipple there.
Oh no. Because your system cover around now. So for screen, just you do like this. So we can only say code there everywhere now. So you warm yourself up. Okay, so today we get Coco of the day as usual, but at the same time I get three very, very talented people who they be inside the studio right now. So now performance back to back. Not too much gist, not too much talk, But we'll make sure say at least we'll make your day sweet you. We'll make it end well as usual. So don't go anywhere. We'll come back right now and we'll continue the rest of the show, okay? So the late night show don't day, the night for that day, all for day together. Not go anywhere.
If you try, you faint where?
Hey, brother, the way your veil take cut for neck.
You want to sing,
Just if you come up for skin, just drop blood. I said, bring bucket, that is finished. But I get try. One of our correct girls, Zoe, she do am.
Are you for real?
When she don't do am finish, she not come work 2 weeks.
Go sit down.
You are a true shift.
Go sit down.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, now time for the Coco of the day.
Make her tell them the coco. Make her tell them the coco. Make her tell them the coco.
All right. Okay. All right.
When you see how we like.
1, 2, 3, and Tongolo. Tongolo. It's Tongolo. All right. So Coco number 1.
Bangao.
Bagao. Coco number 1.
Bangao.
Bagao. Okay, this one a murder case. Yes, now you are going to ask a question.
Go ahead.
You don't ever follow any guy drag babe before? Drag babe, like say.
No.
Okay. You don't chance any guy for your babe before?
No.
Okay. They don't chance you for your babe before?
For my own babe.
They chance you.
And there be one boy, you know what? You don't know why I be. Yeah.
You know can work.
You know work.
Okay. I dey find another question. We just put you for corner.
I dey wait.
I know, yeah. Because you don't really that mood, say.
I dey wait.
You no go agree.
No, matter how I not go agree. Now, what's happen to you? Go talk now.
But you can't decide that what they deny now. They hear
No,
your
wait till
mind
they
and
worry.
tell you,
Wait till they cause that
thing.
thing most times. Now, just first of all, you say no be you get her. You won't go chook your head put.
But the one that they thief for person call.
If you not if you know they do well.
Sometimes you do well, though. Some guys you do all right, too. If you like try for this life, be your be physically fit, be spiritually okay. If I both keep physically fit, you see they make some kind of money, you dey take care of her well, you know they beat her, you know they cause him mama, you see they do well. You understand? You understand? They go see come to say,
Sit down, Jara.
one that guy you come here, just say we are. You say, but I, you know that's why guys they text some girls. What did I do to you?
I did everything.
Yeah, I did after everything I did.
I see one picture one time. They called us say if somebody can cheat on that name where I called just now, they call it in Jackie Chan's voice. Who am I?
Who am I? You understand me? You know, but based on this gist now, 2 ladies, one are 18 years old, the other one are 16 years old. Now they're going to argue about boyfriend.
Okay.
That's they argue about their 18-year-old boyfriend. Now, based on the whole thing, argument can lead to where like the matter come too hot. Don't talk to me like this. I know say Oyibo, their head they touch. You understand? For some kind of things, where would they consider for years say, nah, no. But aside then, nah, yes. So
Yeah.
when they argue, all my lock up, go out, so go relax. Now, the 16 years old carry knife, go the 18 years old house. He go shoot him. Go they chuka, and that one just born pikin.
18 years just born pikin. 18
years, and the 18 years old girl, she and her own pikin. The 16 years go in her house, carry the knife, chuka. He cuts and chuka till the baby kpai you. Kpai finish, now they can't find who kill who. The one can go chuk person, I can't go on top Facebook. This is what they know they do all right. Can't go Facebook, can't go the right. I know say what I do no good, but I me do. I know they apologize, but I go pay for what I do. Now be say, I do and kill me.
Come carry me. Hey, gbese.
In some kind of country, death sentence straight.
They don't even think count.
No. From there, yeah. Put up electric chair. Which one you want that you want? Electric chair, hanging. Which one you want? You know. But person just come out, just say, okay, I know say evil. And I mean, shook him.
I
But you know, you go police station. You go Facebook where the whole world go see him right hand there. So not be everybody where they see for outside normal. Some people they wear clothes too, but things don't lose for somewhere. You understand? At the same time, if you say no say you normal, you just know say okay. Some people they will not normal. They say they're normal. So, but if you know say you do okay, and the friends around you know say you do okay, try your best possible to avoid some kind of argument.
Just come out.
Some people they will like wahala. No can't do say you won't follow them, they drag. Just move. Sometimes that thing when they say silence is the best answer. It solve many problems.
They work.
It solve plenty. One argument don't start. Sorry. It's better to lose an argument than lose your life.
Straight up.
It's better to lose an argument than lose your reputation. You understand? If you're supposed to play something for me now, it's better to lose your. What I talk that time?
It's better to
lose the argument
than
lose your life.
Yeah, straight up.
You understand me now? If you don't learn anything again this night,
you don't get that one.
Maybe Mama Julie, they have now you the quarrel with the whole compound. Mama Julie, calm down, no. One new person you just start the thing tomorrow. That just show you things. Say, man, not be only you. We have 300 other workers. So if you just for your hand, you understand? So please avoid wahala. Make you for just deal okay with your life. Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the coco.
All right, this one for Florida it happened. Nothing that for Nigeria again. So foreign gist. None of us say skills and the skills and the manager they throw the inside jail. They put them in prison. They pass backyard, they do this so.
Backyard?
Make a very read foreign. I'll give you local gist.
Really
you understand? Now, it's okay for Florida golf course. How does something be gist now?
They don't see.
They see me. No. How does it? None of see hot gist. Where they say person, you wake up, you don't see womb begin. Now gist be that. They see alligator where they stroll for golf course. They can't video the thing.
They can't put out for internet.
So how it affects price of where now? So and it can't the internet. You know how many problems in this life where we would consider ourselves with alligator with the cross this thing. I beg. Make I use the time to talk the skills.
Okay.
Hey. No, so you see, I'm about just to get high to the start. No be skills and the manager. They go they pass backyard.
Go do it.
Go they do runs against the policy of their record label. Now they carry each other now, fling the yeah.
Career with the debut.
My brother.
Hey.
So please, if you be artist ready for that place, like Freeze talk for top this thing where you put.
Yeah.
Freeze writes some kind of things. So many artists they enter inside music with their Molue mentality. You can't carry Molue mentality, you can't go like Lekki. You understand? So carry Molue mentality, enter Lekki vicinity. It cannot work. So as you they improve for your career, make sure they improve for your head.
Your orientation.
You understand me now? Say they go sign 7 years of in life. 7 years, give them gi. So now you know they miss some kind of things now. So you got to come to see the remit some kind of money.
Move.
Like say, manager, show.
Follow back.
One group waiting for
Obalendio.
They collect the money, all lock up. Now they back to now they flick on their time. Before they are they first catch it. What's be name? What's be this other one name? This always sing with Whiskey so.
Young 6.
No be Young 6.
Na New Jam.
No be New Jam. When get some kind Jamaican girls for the video. Ugly girls like this.
Run Town.
Run Town. They don't ban them from performing.
For real?
If you see artist manager record company now, all of them they fight too. No. See, you see other people them we can't get record label where they do well.
Yeah.
See where record label they call them. No, go try them. No, go. You could just we will wound you. Not try them.
You're lucky.
So I bet if you be artist, before you sign anything,
7 years.
follow another lawyer. We know what thing they happen. Look the whole thing before you go. They sign your life through away. Very, very important. You understand? Because many artists they bad like that. Then they read. You only see opportunity. Don't say don't worry. We'll give you motor. We'll give you a house. We'll stay for Lekki. Bring. You don't sign with the devil. You don't not finish. So for every money what they make, they give you like 1K inside the money. You look up.
You buy jeans.
Wow. Yeah, you buy jeans. All right. All right. So cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
See, for this country we free one kind. We just get some kind of freedom where we don't know say we get.
We get them.
Now they make some of our Nigerians when they travel come up for other country, they come to tell them say, no, you must drive with this speed for road. You know they horn anyhow.
Say,
Many Nigerians when they go outside country, it take time for them to format their head.
You can't adjust, yes.
Because we for here we don't do anyhow.
Finish, yeah.
Some people for here they use horn take the greet.
Yes, sir.
They use horn take the
Just
shout
like
to the
this,
next person.
just like today afternoon, Seth. I guess your guy calm down now. Me won't deaf here.
Some people go see red for traffic lights. They say you dey horn for the traffic light, make it change. So, but for outside country, you know you just get the horn anyhow. They feel carry you just give you ticket to say what are you waiting? Oh yeah, come take, collect and go pay the money for over horning and every rubbish. You know. Now, for inside Turkey, ex-Miss Turkey, she don't become now celebrity she be and she don't be ex-beauty queen for there. Ex-Miss Turkey, she just go write one thing on top about their president on top her social media platform. And the thing just like say you invest for your president now. You can't go say you write one kind of poem or something, you know, just to talk about the country and people there they lead the country.
Okay.
Not being she write finish. Police just show, AK just show, your boss door open. Wait! No. The guy say, what? They should shut up your mouth, lie down, not be pageantry. Are you also want to? The guy come like that. They carry get 1 year in prison now. Because they say she go yarn anyhow about their president.
Talk anyhow.
Yeah, see, she get fine now.
How about you get fine now?
Hey, she can't be ex-con now.
That can't see no. Two title.
Ex-queen / ex-con. Wow.
But she supposed to get a lawyer now. She be a lawyer, not be fight for.
Lawyer, go fight government. The lawyer, the way go take pack your own load. Say, hey, my sister, I bet no be for your matter. I will not die put.
But you get fine gone.
Fine girl. But anyway, she can just enter prison. Just go nothing. You know, just go there. Maybe she can run her own pageantry.
All the girls will say,
say wow. Say okay. You know what? We'll do Miss Prison. They're gonna be Miss Prison.
Doesn't matter. You go contest though.
Maybe they do one last time now. They do one last year.
Yeah. Remember that one.
With different girls. Fat, short, slim, ugly, hairy. Different. They all come out. They say we go die here for this thing.
Oh yeah, that's too much.
Anyway, they don't grab the girl and they say, man, she must serve 1 year in prison for talking anyhow. But for this country, what the fuck come out and shout, Uncle Boo,
say Baba,
They say even shoot skits.
Not the nation, Baba.
Sometimes so thank God for some kind of things they get for this country. So then the two belong. If not, you know how many people go down reach for prison. Prison go down crowd now, and Nigeria will they talk.
I know we can start fear.
We catch up and like talk. What? Everybody all lock up. I'm not dead there. Ladies and gentlemen, I here come on to top cocoa of the day. Just go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there. Give me your own gist about the 3 G's that I want to talk about this evening, all right? So we'll come back right now with all of our artists them in the building, back to back, all right? So we'll come back. Easy.
Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa. I'm in London, the cocoa.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.